Welcome back to Motor Masters, the one place where machines meet muscle and technology meets tactical power. If you love the roar of engines, the might of military vehicles, and the stories behind the most iconic machines in history, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button because today we're flying high with one of the most legendary military aircraft of all time, the Lockheed C-130 Hercules. The C-130 Hercules isn't just an aircraft, it's an airborne workhorse that's been serving militaries around the globe for nearly 7 decades. First introduced in the 1950s, this tactical transport aircraft has become one of the most widely used and versatile platforms ever built. From combat missions to humanitarian relief, the Hercules has seen it all and done it all. Originally designed in response to a U.S. Air Force request for a rugged transport aircraft that could operate from unprepared runways, the C-130 made its first flight in 1954. What followed was a production run that continues to this day, with over 2,500 aircraft built and a reputation earned through missions on every continent, including Antarctica. The C-130 is a 4-engine, turboprop aircraft with a wingspan of about 132 feet and a length of over 97 feet. Its design prioritizes function over form, with a high wing, rear loading ramp, and strong landing gear. It's built to carry troops, vehicles, cargo, and equipment into remote areas, and to get out again, even under fire. The cargo bay can handle over 40,000 pounds, and with multiple configurations, the Hercules can deliver everything from tanks and Humvees to paratroopers and disaster relief supplies. Powered by 4 Rolls-Royce AE 2100D3 or Allison T56 engines, depending on the variant, the C-130 delivers around 4,500 to 5,000 shaft horsepower per engine. It cruises at around 540 kilometers per hour with a range of about 2,100 nautical miles. The aircraft's short takeoff and landing capability is one of its defining features. It can operate from rough dirt strips as short as 3,000 feet, allowing it to deliver vital supplies in places other aircraft simply can't reach. One of the biggest reasons the C-130 is still in service is its versatility. The platform has been adapted into more than 40 different versions. There's the standard C-130H and newer C-130J Super Hercules for transport. Then there's the AC-130 gunship, which turns the aircraft into a heavily armed flying fortress, equipped with cannons, howitzers, and precision strike weapons. There's also the KC-130 for aerial refueling, the EC-130 for electronic warfare, and the WC-130 for weather reconnaissance, famously known for flying into hurricanes. The latest generation, the C-130J Super Hercules, is the most advanced version yet. It features upgraded avionics, digital cockpit systems, more powerful and efficient engines, and better performance in hot and high conditions. The J model has also reduced crew requirements, improved fuel efficiency, and increased speed and range compared to older models. It's no surprise that countries like the US, UK, Australia, India, and Canada have all upgraded to the C-130J in their fleets. What makes the Hercules a legend isn't just its specs, it's its history. The C-130 has served in nearly every major military conflict since Vietnam. It's performed airlifts under fire, dropped troops behind enemy lines, delivered disaster aid to earthquake zones, and extracted people from war-torn regions. It has even landed on icy runways in Antarctica and operated in the most extreme environments on Earth. The aircraft's performance under pressure has earned it a reputation for being nearly indestructible. There are stories of C-130s coming back to base riddled with bullet holes, engines out, and hydraulics failing, and still managing to land safely. That reliability has made it a favorite not just with the military, but with pilots and ground crews alike. Its impact isn't limited to military missions. The Hercules plays a major role in humanitarian relief and disaster response. When tsunamis, earthquakes, floods, or famines strike, it's often the C-130 that arrives first, dropping food, medicine, and supplies or evacuating injured civilians. In the fight against wildfires, the C-130 MAFS, Modular Airborne Firefighting System, Variant drops thousands of gallons of fire retardant across burning forests. That adaptability is part of why the C-130 remains relevant in today's high-tech battlefield. It's also a symbol of international cooperation. Over 70 countries have operated the C-130 in some form. Whether it's in a NATO exercise, a UN peacekeeping mission, or a bilateral operation, chances are high that at least one Hercules is involved. Its global presence and standardization make it a key piece of interoperability between allied air forces. As warfare changes and demands evolve, the C-130 continues to adapt. Upgrades in radar systems, defensive countermeasures, and battlefield communications ensure the aircraft remains capable in contested environments. Future variants are being considered with semi-autonomous systems, enhanced situational awareness, and even drone support roles. There's no denying it. The C-130 Hercules is more than just a plane. It's a lifeline, a gunship, a refueling tanker, and a symbol of airlift capability that few other platforms can match. It's a machine that stood the test of time, proving again and again that rugged design, adaptability, and reliability are more valuable than flash or speed alone. Thanks for flying with Motormasters, the channel where the world's greatest military machines take center stage. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the mighty C-130 Hercules, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload. We've got more in-depth features coming on the most iconic aircraft, vehicles, and weapon systems from around the globe. Drop a comment below and tell us your favorite C-130 mission or moment, or let us know which aircraft you want to see next. This is Motormasters, and we'll see you on the next mission.